Hello, welcome everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, we are all welcome to the online class on digital photo painting using ibispaint. So, this is the app that we are going to be using to draw and paint photos. So, this is just the preview of the app. So, I will just do the introduction now. I will tell you everything you need to know. Just watch closely as I begin. So we are all welcome once again. Wishing everybody good luck. Okay, let's get started. For you to go into the inside the app, you go to my gallery list. These are some of the work I done lately. I used to delete some, so these ones I still keep them. Okay, click on this cross button. This is where you will select the size of the canvas you want to use. So they have different sizes, and where you can look at this place now, you can select size that you want. So look at Twitter header size, everything, vertical, poster card, JP. So A4 size, B5. You can also select in millimeter and inches. So this app is just very powerful and unique for digital photo painting and illustrating. So those people that do visual marketing, you come here, you draw it and paint it, and a company can hire you for that, depending on how perfect you can be. So let's get started. I normally use this HD size. Okay. So the canvas I chose now is HD size. Look at the app, look at the way it's supposed to move. Okay, this is the app now. Look at my canvas, my drawing. This drawing page now. Can you see it? So you can move it anyhow you want to move it. You can move it anyhow. Okay, so I'll be going one after the other on what to do. So this place now is where you increase the opacity of your pen and reduce it like this. Any stage you want to reduce it to. So I normally sometimes if I want to draw something that I don't want to appear so much, I reduce it like this, then increase it back. This is the where you increase the size of your pen. I normally use 1.3. So let me draw something. I just do a line now. If I increase it, the pen size will increase. I increase again, the pen size will increase as well. So it depends on the size of the pen you want to use. So these things I do now, if I want to undo it, watch closely. If I want to undo it, like you are drawing and you make a mistake and you want to remove it, you click on this place now. You see one have left, you undo again, that one will leave. So another thing, let's go. First of all, let's go to this place. Let's see, like this pen now, select it. In this place you see many things like few magic wonder. Let's say watch what I will do using this magic wonder. Let's say I draw something like this and I want to color only one part. I want to pick some parts and color. So I will select the magic wonder, drop it in the middle of that place I want to color. So if I select my pen now and start drawing inside the place, watch what will happen. you see it affected different places, but when you leave your pen, it will automatically erase other places remaining in the main place you highlighted. So when you want to remove the magic wonder, you select the magic wonder again. See where I will click now. Don't click another place unless you have mastered all. Look at where you click to remove it. You see now it has gone out. So let's undo again. So another thing, look at this place now, bucket view. These are very important things I'm telling you. Instead of you to start drawing it like that, you can bucket view. As you select the bucket view now and highlight the place, or even if you don't highlight the place, you can just tap inside the place now. It will automatically bucket view. You see it now. It will automatically, instead of you to start wasting time now, you have bucket fill it. So let's undo, remove our bucket fill, and do again. So let's remove this. Okay. So another thing, eraser. So look at, if I want to erase something I have done, I erase it. We all know, even in primary school or nursery school, we used eraser too. Let's undo. Instead of wasting time, we have undone it. Another thing, this is filter. Okay, if I draw something, I will use this one. Look at brush now. This is where you select different brushes. They are up to, you go to this basic. This custom side now is where the ones you normally use will appear, but this basic now is where all the pen, you will see all the pens. There are different pens: deep pen hard, deep pen blade, deep pen hard, deep pen soft, felt tip pen hard. So all these pens, all of them have different purposes, and there are many of them. This app is just very powerful. Okay, look at many of them. All of these, they have different purposes. In case now, let's select this highlight. Let's use it. For instance, you are drawing something, and you, instead of drawing, if you want to brush the head now, instead of you to start drawing each one, then you select that pen I just selected, then you start drawing it like this. By then you will reduce the opacity. Don't mind my sketching now, my hand is really shaking. Yes. Okay, let's undo them. Let's check another one. Okay. This is smudge. I will use this one as I'm working. So yeah, I use it when I import a picture. Eyedropper. I have not picked anything, so I will not use that one. Let me use my normal picture. This place now, watch. This place now is where I select color. You see, this is where you select color. So let me select black now. Okay, another thing, I will use this one. Okay, test. This is test now. In case you want to write something. Okay. This is the side where you select the side of the text. This is the style. You select the style. This is the background. Let's say I use something now. where you select size. This is this time. Stroke means outline of the text. Let's just go to another one. What else now? Okay. So this is where you set anything you want to set. Okay. This app is not very powerful. Just come down and master them. Practice more on this. Okay. This place now is where you choose between the pen and the eraser. The pen you are using and the eraser. If you click here, eraser will appear. If you click again, it will go, the pen will appear. Okay, let's go to layers now. Layers. Okay, this is a very important section. This layers now is where you arrange your work. For instance, I clicked, look at where I click now. I click here, layers will appear. If I want to add a layer, I click here. If I want to delete it, I click here. If I want to download over, if I want to combine them, I click here, download over. It's just a matter of taking your time. I will do it. I will delete one. So if I want to import a picture, just a matter of you taking your time to learn all this. I want to import a picture now, which is very important, which most of people don't see is easy. I click here, import a picture, go to my gallery, select the picture I want to draw and paint. This one. You see, the picture is very small on the canvas now. You have to adjust it. Zoom it to a certain size that you will make. Like this is okay. You click okay. And for some of you that your phone has OTG curved, that you can use a mouse, it's better for you. Me, I use my hand to draw. If you can use mouse, good. Use mouse, it will give you more space to do anything. So this is the picture I imported. So where I will start sketching very soon. So you just have to calm down for now. We will do all this. I tell you, you will enjoy this class. And when you at your perfectness, that's when people will start patronizing you to do work for them. People hire you to design and send to them. So you just have to calm down and learn. Practice more. This app, this course really worth your time. Give it your time. I'm a student. I use this course to feed myself. So I use this particular thing to feed myself. You see my page on Facebook and Instagram. You see the work I did for people. I frame it and snap and web it to them anywhere I want to web it to. Even the one I did for a man in Romania, USA. He just paid $40. So you can do your work and send it anywhere. Just try and learn. Let it be perfect, okay? I'm just telling you what you can do with this. At least, if others are sitting back and complaining, you have hope. Your work can come anytime you do it and send to the person. Okay? You just need perfectness. So what else do we need to do? Okay, let's see. What else do I need to introduce you to? I think you have to. So I will start sketching very soon. This is just the introduction. You have to master all that I have said. You will get used to it. No worry. Don't get confused. You will get used to it as we keep working. Okay. So thank you for coming into the class, and please invite others. They really need this class. It's a very big opportunity for most of the students and people that don't have people to train them. Okay, at least with this now you have hope of feeding, at least feeding. Okay, I'm telling you out of experience. So thank you. May God bless everyone. On the next part now we start the sketching. The sketching with this picture will be I will just sketch it, no painting. So the next one will be painting until I will be doing it until we are at the stage I will start teaching the main color blending. On the painting I will just paint it to look like human being, but not that until we get to a particular spot where I will start teaching the perfect color blending, and also to paint it with a color palette. You form your color palette here. Another thing I want to tell you, if you want to pick a color, you place your hand on that place, you pick that color, like color in the ear, color of the hair. If you anywhere you want to, any color you want to use, you pick it. So this app is really just powerful. And you people are lucky someone is teaching you. No one taught me this, so I just devoted my time sleepless night. Now I can say I want to teach. It's just it. So let's see you in the next few minutes when I start this sketching. Thank you all for being with me. Just calm down with this app, it will really help you. And those who have the talent of drawing normally, sketching normally without tracing, you can draw. This app will improve you. You will do things that you never thought you would do with this app, because when you start illustrating, you can draw something and paint it. So a company can hire you to draw something and paint. This thing is just much better than logo design, because logo design they go and download all those things that people use this kind of app to design and post on, and they will go and download it and use as logo materials. So for you to start doing this, you are just really expensive, because when your work is fine, companies will hire you to construct logo for them. So this is just it. So see you all, thank you all, and invite people that you think they really need this. Invite people, please. Invite people. So it's just because the way people were just asking for it, that's why I decided to make it, bring the price down so that many will participate. So thank you all.